Hey everybody, good to see you. This is Jason Loucks from secretlender.com. And one of the questions people ask me all the time when they're trying to get started in the real estate business or they're trying to scale their business up to take it to the next level, they very often say, Jason, I feel locked out of most of these deals. They say, I see the potential in vacant houses and abandoned houses in particular. I see the potential in foreclosures, bank foreclosures and houses that are going to auction. You can save the people before the foreclosure if you can just buy their house. Even some pre-foreclosures, and they say, I see the opportunity there, but how do I do it? I don't have the cash to close. I don't have the funds. I feel locked out, right? And it's really easy especially when you're just starting, to feel locked out of the real estate market because, we've all seen the big signs, the We Buy Ugly Houses guys. We see the I Buy Houses Cash guys. But if you don't have the cash to close, you can really, really feel locked out. Well, the answer is you need to tap into O.P.M. other people's money, and there's a specific kind of other people's money you want to use, and those other people are private lenders. Private lenders are, what's the right word? They're people who are currently, who would rather have their money backing a piece of valuable real estate rather than in the stock market or in a 401k or IRA that's, earning them, pennies. Nowadays, they're not doing that well for the most part. And a lot of them are even, treading water. They're making 3 or 4% interest, but they're losing that to inflation out the other side. And then, of course, the stock market with its ups and downs, like one year it's up, next year it's down. A lot of people can't stomach that. And, how often does the stock market crash? About, once every 10, 12, 15 years, it's going to crash. Everybody knows it. The question is it going to crash when they need the money? So what they would really rather do is have a real estate investment that they understand, that's backed by a valuable piece of collateral like a discounted property that you bought. And then you pay them back with interest. And if everything goes smoothly, they get their money back with interest, which is what everybody wants. And if it doesn't go smoothly, they get the property back at a discount. They just can hire a real estate agent to sell it like that at that price, right? Especially in this market, and still get their money back and still with interest. So there's a lot of people out there who would love to back your deals, and they're called private lenders. Now, you do have to be careful. You can't just go willy-nilly asking people to lend you money. That's against the rules. The SEC doesn't let us do that. But what you can do is build a relationship with those people. And of course, that's a subject for a different video. But if that's the kind of stuff you're into, if getting started in real estate is something you're into, if bringing your business to the next level is something you're into, and you've been feeling locked out of those deals, the answer is private lenders. And if that's the kind of thing you're into, if you like this video, feel free to share it. Feel free to spread the word, and thank you very much. Again, I'm Jason Loucks from secretlender.com. Talk again soon.